But now that we've mentioned the wider bee family, let's turn our attention to honeybees. Less than 5% of bee species make honey in large enough quantities that it is useful to humans. Honeybees are special. The relationship between honeybees and humans goes back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all recognized the importance of honeybees and used their honey and wax for both practical and ceremonial purposes. The ancient Greeks even considered the bee to be a symbol of the soul. As human civilizations expanded and grew, so too did their knowledge and appreciation of honeybees. The domestication of honeybees became widespread in Europe during the Middle Ages, and by the time of American colonization, honeybees were a common sight there and were instrumental in the growth of agriculture and commerce. The value of honeybees as pollinators and honey producers has been recognized by humans for centuries, and today honeybees are considered a vital part of the global ecosystem. Honeybees are social insects and live in large colonies called hives. These hives are made up of thousands of bees, each with a specific role in maintaining the health and survival of the colony. Hives are constructed from wax inside a larger structure and are designed to protect the colony from predators and the elements. The interior of the hive is made up of a series of hexagonal cells that are used to store honey and raise the young. The hives have a queen bee, which is responsible for laying eggs, and worker bees, which carry out various tasks such as foraging for food and caring for the young. Like the queen, all the worker bees are female. The male bees are called drones, with no other function but to mate with the queen. In a healthy hive, cooperation and division of labor among the bees helps to ensure the survival and success of the colony. A community of bees this large needs a great deal of food. That's why one of the most important jobs of the worker bees is collecting nectar from flowers.